First things first, bro. You have to unplug your tail light, and then you get your new ones, and then you just plug it in there. It's pretty obvious what wire you need to unplug, but you guys are about to witness this before me. Yo, I love that. That's cool as hell. Oh, those are so sick. Okay, I gotta make sure my emergency light works now. My emergency even does that? That's cool, bro. I gotta figure out how I can check my brake. I put one up for me to look at. Actually, I'll just rewatch the recording. Fuck it. I've actually wanted to make a video on this toolbox. I actually really like it. It actually comes with like a ton of stuff. And tools really all come down to like feel and how they feel when you're using them. And I'm not a mechanic, so I don't really have experience is the word I was looking for, I guess. There we go. Dude, my hands are freezing. I can't even feel my hands right now. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do it in this video, but if any of you want the smoked Buddy Club lights, I'll probably do like a giveaway for those. I actually do have some of the longer ones. They're in these two drawers. They're named different. This is 8mm. Right now it's still winter, so I got my crappy wheels on and we don't have the headlights on it yet or anything like that. But once everything is set up, it'll look good with the white wheels and the new headlights and stuff. Let's see if we got the right ones. Definitely not that one. I sort of got, okay, this is the right one. Alright, so 8mm is 5/16. Oh yeah, that's so much easier than... What do you think? Do you like that one? Or the smoked one more? Oh wait, these lights aren't on. Now we can test it. Yeah, bro, I love that flow, how it goes whoop, whoop, whoop. Last bolt. I'm gonna be putting these things on next. I'm super excited to put these on the car. I think this is gonna make a huge difference in the way the front end of it looks. It's gonna modernize it a lot. Dude, $7 per gallon of gas is where we're... I hate winter because you gotta leave traction control on, bro. We'll go down to the auto shop here and check on the tires and wheels. The guy that owns that place has a McLaren, bro. It's sick. McLaren's F20. Throw it backwards. Let me know what you guys' favorite type of music is. Oh, yo, they got the supercharged fucking car out. Dude, that thing's so fat, the Hellcat. Oh yeah, he's here. Yeah, I mean, so I don't know, dude. Like, I kind of feel like if I can stiffen the back springs enough to where it's not gonna rub, I kind of would prefer performance at this point over the camper.
Yep. Just leave it as it is, maybe.
Yeah, well, I definitely want it lower, guys. I mean, that makes a huge difference, but actually, for the purpose of this video, I'll go ahead and turn traction control off. Keep in mind, this is not like some like 9 million horsepower vehicle. The metal tires, or whatever things on the tires to help with traction on ice, are very, very bad for pavement. Watch me total my car for a second for how much of those suck. But yeah, so like when my tires start, well, gonna be hard to, hopefully there's nobody behind me. Nobody behind me. You see what I'm saying, dude? Like it, like your tires spin like crazy, bro. If I was fun, bro, but I don't feel like crashing my car again. I'm gonna go in here so I can turn around. Bro, I can't wait to like be able to like. I'm working so hard at getting a Lamborghini, bro. Like, and I'm almost there. Like, I'm almost at a point where I can. You see what I'm saying? That's why I have traction control on. We would have been swerving. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to my favorite spot and show you guys the lights here because it's dark. Dude, this was cool as hell when COVID first began, bro. It was all empty. There's always people down here skateboarding and stuff, just chilling and hanging out. Alright, so let's check these lights out now. I'm gonna go far back so I can not be embarrassed talking to myself. Bro, those are sweet. See, I don't know like what, I don't understand why these are there. I don't get what those are for. Because they don't work. They don't shine up and there's no light in there. Yeah, so I don't really, and that too, I don't really get what that is. I would prefer it if they were like, if that was just red and then that was chrome. But either way, once the other wheels and stuff are on the car, and then we get the new headlights on the car as well. Oh my god, it's working! Oh no, it's the wrong one. I knew one of them was out. But that's the whole reason I bought those new headlights, bro. I'm like thinking to myself, do I want to pay 120 bucks for some really nice new lights, or do I want to pay 400 bucks for like literally a brand new fucking pair of headlights? And I'll rewatch it. Like my buddy that's gonna do the headlights, he's gonna like throw like the RGB around the whatever the ring. Yeah, man, that's gonna bring us to the end of the video. As always, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, throw a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.